Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Nimit. Today, let's do a bouncy egg experiment. Let's learn about osmosis in this experiment. Okay? For this experiment, you need a raw egg, but be careful with it. It will be cracking. Then you can't make it. And you need a glass. And for this experiment, you need some vinegar. In this experiment, we're going to make a raw egg like this egg into a bouncy egg. That will bounce. Let's pour some vinegar into the glass jar. Then let's put the egg into the glass jar. The jar is filled with some vinegar. Now let's put the egg in there. But be careful, it will break. So be careful. Place the egg in the vinegar. Vinegar down there. Let it be in there for 1 day. Then it will become into a bouncy egg. As we know, the egg cells are really hard to open. How will it become soft? You all know that vinegar has some acid in it. That cell has calcium carbonate. Acid in vinegar reacts with calcium carbonate in the egg cell. Okay. Carbon dioxide gas is released and the magic happens. The egg cell becomes soft when you soak the egg in vinegar. In 24 hours, let's just see how the egg is. Okay? Yeah. Now have a look for the soaked egg. See how dirty the water is. Clean it up with some tap water. Now see the bouncy egg. See the bouncy egg. Now let's bounce it. It absorbed all the water in the vinegar, so then it will grow to some size. See? This is bigger, this is smaller. This is bigger, this is smaller. That's why it became this bouncy. Or else the egg cell was really hard to water and squish or damp. This effect is called osmosis. It's looking like a tomato for me. See, tomato. It's like a tomato for me. Let's bounce it. It didn't break. It was like this egg. This egg was like this egg. Then it transformed like this egg. See how big this one is than this one? See? This is bigger than that one. This is smaller than that one. Throw it from really high. 1, 2, 3. Ah! It's not breaking at all. Do. It's very bouncy. When I press it, it becomes lighty on that side. See? Boop. I'll slowly cut it. It's not cutting at all. I can't cut that. It's too hard to cut. Oh, it's not cutting. It exploded. Now it's a bouncy inflatable egg. This is the cell. See? But it popped. Boom! If you like my video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye!